How to check Subway allergen information. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you have any allergy, then don't worry. Subway has a list of allergen information. I'll show you how to view it. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to subway.com. Then scroll down and at the bottom you'll find nutrition option. Tap on it and then scroll down. You can see allergy and ingredient information. Just tap on it and then you'll need to tap on yes, continue, and you'll be redirected to a new page where there is all the allergen information. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.